Welcome everyone. I am Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum and your trainer. In regard to your asset management strategies, including your maintenance strategies, are you under the impression that you could sustainably improve them using what your assets are trying to tell you? Well, you're right. Your assets are talking to you. Now, you just have to learn their language, the language of reliability. On another note, if you're curious to see a simpler, better way to do things, if you're looking for efficiency, to engage your people with simple, straight to the point and useful tools, embedded in a process that influences the culture of your company in a direction for success, then this training is for you and your people. You will not only learn the basics of reliability, but most importantly, like many other reliability training that are only confusing and too theoretical, you will learn how to use these concepts on the shop floor and integrate them into an efficient data-driven decision process. You will be surprised how quickly the process is shaping and improves the overall performance of the company. It uses the global sustainability triple performances: people, planet, and profit to get the most value out of your assets. This training is one of the performance-centered asset management training set, the Reliability and PCAM in-depth reliability and data analysis training. The set of training also includes the foundational processes of asset management, the reliability-centered maintenance tools, the total predictive maintenance tools, and the root cause analysis training. The set of training is available in English or French, online, on-site, or in public session in partnership with universities in France and Canada. Support is also available through consultation services tailored to your operational context. Let's build together a sustainable and safe future. To know more, visit Percentum.com. This is Percentum.com. Well, thank you for your attention. Get on the training and do not hesitate to reach out for more info. Cheers! This was Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum. Percentum.com.